Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can police tell if you are listening to a police scanner? The short answer is almost always no. Listening to a police scanner is a passive activity, meaning your device only receives signals, it doesn't send any information back out. Think of it like a regular AM or FM radio in your car. When you tune into a music station, the radio station has absolutely no way of knowing that your specific radio is turned on and listening. Police radio works on the same principle. The police department's transmitters broadcast a signal over a wide area, and your scanner simply picks that signal out of the air. It's a one-way street of information, and your scanner is electronically invisible. This applies to both traditional hardware scanners and scanner apps on your smartphone. Now, let's talk about those apps. When you use an app like Broadcastify, the server that streams the audio knows your IP address is connected, but the police department doesn't. They aren't monitoring the app servers to see who is listening. For them to get that information, they would need to serve a warrant or subpoena to the app company, and they would need a very good reason, like linking you to a specific crime, to do so. They don't just randomly check on listeners. So, how could an officer know you're listening? There are a few ways, and they are all pretty straightforward. The most common way is simple observation. If you get pulled over and an officer sees a scanner on your dashboard, or hears it chattering away, then obviously they know. The same goes for an app on your phone if they happen to see it open. Another way is if you use the scanner to commit a crime. In many states, it's illegal to have a scanner in your car while you're in the process of committing a crime, like a burglary. If you get caught, the scanner becomes evidence against you. The most serious situation is if you try to transmit on a police frequency. Listening is passive, but transmitting is active. The moment you press a transmit button on a radio program to their channels, you are sending out a signal. Police have sophisticated equipment called radio direction finders that can pinpoint the location of that signal very quickly. Transmitting on police frequencies is a federal crime, so this is something you should never, ever do. Finally, it's important to note that many police departments are switching to encrypted radio systems. When a system is encrypted, a regular scanner can't decipher the signal. You'll just hear garbled noise. In this case, the question becomes moot because you can't listen in the first place. So, to sum it up, the act of listening itself is electronically undetectable. Police find out you're listening through physical observation or if you're using the scanner in a way that breaks the law. As long as you are using it legally and discreetly, there is no electronic trail leading back to you. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more content just like this. Stay safe and stay informed.